Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Today we have here is the EA86. Man, it looks like almost like a Mustang and a Toyota Tercel and some other car. And it's a drift car. It's got lights. As you can see, we'll go down the little hill and you can see the lights on there. And man, let me tell you, it's slippery. So we'll do our best to get some drifting. I had my fun before the nut fell off. That was lost but found. Very difficult to see. And yeah, I did take off one of the wheels, but I made sure I tightened everything up. And here we are, packing up, come back for another day. We'll see what we got on the editor and get it out to you.